Okay, guys, this is going to
Bueno,
be the topic for the class of today. We are going to perform a review workshop about all the topics we already saw. Hi, this is the campaign. So these are the exercises. We are only going to perform 5 exercises, each for each topic we already saw. The first one is about equations. The second one is about linear functions. The C is linear function as well, but this one and this one, the procedure is different. The D is about linear equation systems. And the E is our last topic, that is quadratic equations, okay? So I really expect you to do it using your notebook, because that is going to help you. And if you have questions, I will be here. This call is not going to end, so you are going to remain here with me. And that's all. So thank you very much for your attention. You're being so kind. And good luck, because you're going to need it. And also my mouse. Oh my God.